Hi guys, welcome to this video about how you can improve the safety of Dashlane. A problem with Dashlane is usually you have a program that installed on Windows 10 and the plugin on, let's say, Google Chrome. Here is how it works. When you click on login on some site like that's BitTube here, and then if you are not logged in on Dashlane, you have to sign in here. Unfortunately it's in German, but I can tell you that that's sign in. And when you click on sign in, so this is usually what you get when you have installed the plugin in Chrome, and it just says Dashlane Password Manager Chrome extension, and you really don't have any clue if this is really coming from Dashlane. That could be any kind of plugin which you installed and then changes and then saying I'm Dashlane the password manager. I mean any one of these plugins which you install on Google Chrome could pretend to be Dashlane, and then you enter your email and password and then they have access to all your passwords. That's crazy. And I was asking Dashlane, how can we prevent this? I mean, I really cannot see if this is coming from Dashlane or from somebody else. And they said, yeah, there's an option which you can change. Here's the Dashlane plugin. You can right click on that and go to options, and then you can say extension mode desktop. And yeah, instead of using the standalone plugin, you can use the desktop mode. And let's see how this works. Can save and restart extension. Yeah, that looks like that's already it. We close that, and it applied some code here, and yeah, looks like I have to do this one time. I click on that here, and I hope it is now somehow connected. What I'll do, I'll close this tab here. I'll go back to this site where I want to log in. Yeah, I'll load it again. So let's see what happens. And now looks like it's saying somehow that I'm already logged in. Yeah, I don't see a big change now, so it looks a little bit different. And instead of asking me to enter my credentials, it was using probably the credentials from the desktop version. So at least I didn't have to log in again, which always poses some kind of security risk. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I thought there's the desktop program then coming up. Looks like it isn't the case, but at least I didn't have to log in, which is a plus for me. And yeah, I'll take it, whatever I can get. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.